Hi friends, I ordered one HMT watch from HMT site and today it got delivered. So I'm checking its packaging and all. It's nice and they delivered through DTDC courier and I ordered from Bangalore. So within 3 days it got delivered and this is I think it's HMT warranty card. There is as usual it's 1 year warranty they are providing. So HMT seal, so everything is there. This is the bill. Okay, so the packing is looking fine and its package and its box they put these sponges and neatly packed. There is no shake and other things. So let us just unbox the case and we can see they packaged it very nicely. So let me pull out from the sponge. Okay, so I ordered this HMT Galaxy Inox. So it looks decent and it's dial and fit and finish, the left side and right side, that chromium kind of finishing, it looks good. I didn't expect this much fit and finish from HMT, as I already saw many others reviewed, like there are many scratches in the watch cases and not that much fit and finish. But I think once they upgraded to the Quartz section, their fit and finish is okay now. It's pretty good. And so I ordered this through HMT website. So currently there's a offer is there. So actual its price I think some nearly around 1500. So it's around the 25% discount is there. So after that around 1050 rupees I got this. So it is mentioned HMT. They are it is inside that HMT logo. It's like it's a projected one, like a silver kind of stuff, and near in the downside it is mentioned as Galaxy Quartz, and it's black color dial inside, and in the downside it is mentioned as India. So HMT, as you know, it is our own product, Hindustan Machine Tools. So yeah, it looks good and the straps also looking fine. So it is mentioned as genuine leather. So I think it is not an artificial one, it is a genuine leather. And inside in the clip there is no HMT logo. So many other watches I observed that here is also an HMT logo. Here is it's okay. And in the back side, HMT water resistant stainless steel back, CGS IG08. That is a code for this Galaxy model. There are many other Galaxy models. This one is CGS IG08. And I could see there is a symbol like a Canada flag. Not sure what is that. Okay, this is not actually the HMT logo. I don't think. Why did they change the logo? Not sure. You can also have a check. Okay, let me wear it in my hand. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's nice. It looks good. I think it's pretty simple, and they already put the battery inside and the time also is correct. Now it is 2:30. Looks good, and it is very match for the formal dresses, and we can use this watch in our offices, and if any functions like marriage, if you are going to church or any temples, it would be great looks. So 1,000 rupees, it is a worth to buy. You can also think about this watch. Use this festival season discount. So 1,000 rupees you can get it, and proudly you can wear an HMT watch. It's made from India. HMT, Hindustan Machine Tools. So yeah, it is good, and you can put your comments. Thank you.